Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I am making up a green bean casserole, which I know a lot of us love and a lot of us don't. Up until a few years ago, my whole life, I didn't care for it. But somebody made it, and I don't remember who it was, and it was delicious. And I'm going to make one up. A lot of them are made the same, a lot of them are a little different. Some like cheese, some don't. We're going to make ours with some cheese today. So everything you need for this is in the description box. Now this is one of the quickest side dishes for Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner, or just because you want some. It comes together quick. A lot of the stuff we have on hand. The only thing we may have to go out and run and get is some of these crispy fried onions. So now you can make these with some fresh green beans. Just blanch them for a while. Get them a little bit, not real soft, but I'm just using this I believe is a 28 ounce can, yeah. And we're going to add you just dump it all in there. It's so easy. A 10.5 ounce can of mushroom soup. I should have mixed my milk with this, but we'll get it mixed up. Mix your milk in with your soup. Just makes easier mixing. I should have done that, but we'll get it mixed up. And we're going to get some soy sauce in there. Just a little bit. Don't need a whole lot. Maybe a teaspoon. And I like to add extra mushroom with the soup. I just got me the pieces and stems. You can by all means fry you up some fresh mushrooms. But this is about quick and convenient. And I just chop them up. Get a little bit of extra mushroom. I didn't put, this is a 4 ounce can. I used half. You want to use it all? Go ahead. And I'll go in with maybe a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. My cheese. The one I had was with cheese. That's why I was like, it's different, you know, and I really liked it. And I have put about 3/4 of these crispy fried onions in there. And that is it. My oven is preheated to 375 Fahrenheit, and we'll just get this mixed up and get it into that casserole dish over there. Okay, here's my casserole dish, and I'm just gonna and do taste it here, because you may want to put some salt, maybe some pepper. That's up to you. The soup is salted, and it's got a little bit of soy sauce in there, but I did add a little bit, maybe 1/4 teaspoon more of salt, but that's totally up to you. I'm going to scrape this out of there. And in the oven, this goes uncovered. We're going to cook or bake this until it's nice and bubbly, which normally takes 25 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. And then we'll get it out. Stir it up a little bit, and then we'll put some more onions on top, and then back in the oven it'll go for another maybe 8 to 10 minutes, just till the rest of our crispy onions we'll top it with till they're lightly brown, and it'll be ready to eat. So in the oven this goes just until it's nice and bubbly, 25 to 35 minutes. Okay, that's out of focus, ain't it? There we go. That baked for 25 minutes, just till it gets nice and bubbly. Now we're just going to give this a stir. Now you got a big crowd coming, just double it, triple it. Okay, now we're going to put our the rest of our crispy onions on top. Now, there's no right amount here with the onions on top. You put many as you want. I usually do close to a cup, 3/4 to a cup. And I'm going to continue doing this back in the oven maybe 5 minutes, though lightly brown. Mine cooked, I don't know if I just said 25 minutes, just until it starts to bubble, because everything here is cooked. Okay, there it is. 5 minutes, they lightly browned, kind of toasted on there, and it's hot, and it smells good, and we're going to give it a try. Get there. Like I said, you can do this with fresh green beans if you want. That is hot, but I grew up eating it with the green beans. You know, that's how I first tried it. And I have tried it with, because I've always wanted to like it, but for some reason, I guess as we age, as they say, you start liking different things. That is good. That is good. But there it is. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps support my channel. And I guess that's about it. Easy side dish. I know a lot of us are familiar with it. It's been around for years. But sometimes the ones that, like me, think you don't like it, and then years later you try it. It may change your mind. So just an idea if you want to add something different. Okay? So until next time, y'all eat well, love one another, stay blessed, take care of one another, and we will see y'all soon. Bye-bye.